All right, so I found a hidden gem neighborhood right here. Minutes from Daniel Island, minutes from Mount Pleasant, 15 minutes to the beach. And as you can see behind me, we are on Knoll Creek right now. That's Daniel Island right over there. Hidden gem neighborhood where you can park your boat on your driveway for free. It's included in the HOA and everything. So come with me if you don't believe me. Let's go. What's up, y'all? This is Dave Broom, licensed realtor in Charleston, South Carolina. If this is your first time to my channel and you want to know everything there is to know about living, working, exploring, eating, chilling, and definitely playing in Charleston, South Carolina and the surrounding areas, then tap that subscribe button, like the video, and also hit the bell so that you know when new videos are coming up and you can come check them out. And to be honest with you, my team and I are getting more and more calls, texts, emails every single day from people who are looking at moving down here, especially from the northern states. A lot of people are looking to get out of their state and move down here. So if that's you, you have questions, you want to inquire about what the process is like moving down here, or you just want to hear my story about moving down here with my wife and 4 kids, feel free to reach out. You can give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. I'll get right back to you, and we can even set up a call and just have a quick conversation about what it's like to move down here. All right, the neighborhood is Landings at Sweetwater, and we're gonna walk a couple of the models here, a couple different floor plans, and just show you what the houses look like on the inside. And remember, you get the amazing docks and easy access to the water, also deep water access. So there's a lot of perks that come with this neighborhood. Let's go check out the models. All right, this is the Aiken model with Eastwood Homes. A really cool model that we're gonna check out right now. So come with me, let's go check out the inside. All right, as you first come in, there's a formal dining room on the right-hand side. Swing around back to the left. Here's a nice sized bedroom here with a gorgeous view. And then the bathroom is a really cool feature because it goes out to the main, and you can have, there's a door to come from the bedroom as well. So I'll swing around here. Little food pantry to the left here, and then I'll swing around, really open kitchen area and the living room area over here with the fireplace. Gorgeous tile, countertops. This one does not have the fridge in it yet, but it's got the white cabinets. Here's the stove area. Here's another area for a small dining table here, and then we'll head out to the porch. There's two screened in, there's a screened in area, and then there's a porch area over here. That's a cool layout. This one backs up to the woods. There is other lots, but you can see just a really gorgeous area down here. So close to Daniel Island, so close to Mount Pleasant. And being able to dock your boat is a big thing too. All right, we'll head upstairs. Don't mind the blue tape. They just have to do a couple painting patches here. So as you can see, a little landing area here. Second floor laundry. Walk over here. There's 2 bedrooms real close to the bathroom here. These are big size bedrooms too. Full bathroom. Another bedroom. Like I said, second floor laundry here. All right, and this is the master here. You can go out into the porch area. Really cool feature here. There is a walk-in closet over here. And here's a master bathroom. And then views all over the place in this one. And then we'll head down to the, I'm gonna call it a basement, but it's not a basement, it's actually a carport. But it can be used as a basement because this particular, the new homes that they're building are not in a flood zone, so you don't really have to worry about it getting flooded out in here. The older homes in this neighborhood were in a flood zone, but these ones are not. But as you can see, a ton of room in here. The garage is right here, a ton of room throughout the basement here. And then I will take you outside and show you one other feature. And then outside over here, you can see that the screened in area is also screened underneath, so you don't get any mosquitoes up on the porch area. So it is a fully screened in area, which is a really nice feature to have as well. All right, this one is the Cosgrove. It's about 3,300 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. And they say 3-car garage because you could park a car underneath over here on the left-hand side. But let's go check this one out together. All right, as you first come in, there's a formal dining room to the left here. To the right, there is an office that could be used as a bedroom. It does not have a closet, but it could be an extra bedroom if needed. All right, there is a half bath. There's 2 closets on the way into the half bath as well. Coming into the living room area. Kitchen to the left, nice and open here. And then another dining room area over here. And to the back porch is off of the dining room area here. You can see it's the screened in area right off the back porch. I'll open this up. Really cool porch area. And it's screened underneath like the other house as well. All right, here's the butler's pantry here. They have a little wine setup. And then this is the food pantry. This is what my kids would like right here. They'd be in here all the time. And it is wired for gas now. It was only electric before, and now it is wired for gas, which is another cool feature. But just check out this kitchen area. And then it's open over to the living room. And then we'll head upstairs. All right, now up the stairs. Open area here. Basically a separate living room up here. Laundry. I'll swing around. As you can see, the bedroom here, bigger doors, double doors. This is the master here. Really cool feature with the double doors. Gigantic room. 2 walk-in closets. And then into the master bathroom. All right, here's the loft area with the porch off of it. There's a little hidden bedroom over here. Full bath right here. Here's the hidden bedroom that was around the corner. A little added privacy. Another bedroom here with a bathroom right off of it. So this bathroom is a cool setup. This is the Jack and Jill bathrooms. Right through to another bedroom here. Really, really cool setup. A lot of space upstairs. A lot of bedrooms, a lot of living space in the loft area. Big loft area, and then the double doors on the master is a really cool feature as well. I'll take you on the porch real quick too. And the double porch in this area to hang out. Especially it's not off of a bedroom, it's off of the loft area. which is better than having it off of one of the kids' bedrooms, but really nice porch area. All right, here are the boat docks that are included with the HOA fees here that you get access to for free. You can dock your boat here. You can go right, this hooks right up to the Wando River, and you can go over to Shem Creek and Daniel Island from here. And these are the boat docks that are included with the HOA fee. And also you can park your boat in your driveway, which is a really cool feature to have down in the Mount Pleasant area. All right, here is the pool area as well that is included with the HOA. Right on the creek here. Awesome views of Daniel Island included as well. Little cabana types, sitting areas, bathroom area here, all included with your HOA price. This outdoor kitchen area is also included with the HOA, and it is first come first serve if you want to do a party out here, but they also have an oyster bar area where they'll do oysters and s'mores in the winter, but a really nice sitting area, as you can see, all included in this hidden gem neighborhood. All right, so we're starting here where you can park your boat here for $200 a month. It's additional storage, so if you don't want to put it on your driveway, you can park it here for about $200 a month. And then down this way is where the boat launch is into the creek. So I'll show you down here. It's paved. It's very easy to launch the boat here. You're not going to be getting stuck. It's a nice concrete paved dock. So I'll take you right out here and just show you the process here. Paved boat launch right here. Real easy in and out. And this will take you into the Wando River. It'll take you around into the Wando River. You can go to Daniel Island, you can go to Shem Creek, which are two really big attractions around here. Shem Creek has a lot of nice restaurants in that, and just really nice area to get to, especially on nice hot summer days, cruising around on the water. And easy access to the Wando River is really important down here. All right, one more thing to add on is this is deep water access. I know that a lot of questions on what water it accesses, but this was low tide, so it's usually higher than this, and it is deep water access as well, which is a really big benefit around here as well. So as you can see behind me, they're building lots. There's more building going on. This is landings at Sweetwater, and these homes start in the 800s at this moment. That could change. So if you want more information about this area, about Daniel Island, about Mount Pleasant, anywhere in this area off of Clements Ferry, I'd reach out. You can give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. This is minutes from Daniel Island, minutes from Mount Pleasant, 15 minutes from the beach. It has docking access. You can get to the Wando River. A lot of stuff going on in this neighborhood. This is a sought after neighborhood. Feel free to reach out. The best way to do it is just shoot me a quick text. I'll set up a call with you and we can just discuss whatever you want to discuss, and I'll see if this is the right fit for you. Keep it real, y'all.